welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. So in today's video we're going to see a complete review or my complete experience with this particular Kura product, which is a dark underarm whitening cream. We all know that especially in Chennai we don't wear sleeveless kind of dresses, and we can actually, due to the culture and the sun, which is the climate in Chennai, we cannot really wear such kinds of dresses because we'll get tan all over our body. So now, in order to brighten the dark area under your arms, we have a amazing product by Kura. It has advanced lacto cream which helps in the lightening of the underarms. 50 grams of this product costs rupees 200, which is actually worth it. You can try it. They say that this advanced formulation is free from parabens, color and artificial fragrance. Yes friends, this does not contain any artificial fragrance or parabens. Any paraben free product is really good for your skin, so don't miss to try this. And so we'll see the what's inside. So 50 gram of Kura Lacto Dark Underarm Whitening Cream is in this way. So with attractive packaging and good stuff in, they have given a wonderful product for us to use. So this cream is, as I told you, it is free from parabens and does not contain artificial fragrance. Is suitable for mostly all skin types, because even sensitive skins can try this. It has a good open close type of lid, and even if it is open, it does not mean that it will spill, because it is a cream and not a liquid or a face wash which messes our things. So now we'll see the consistency of the product. Very little of this product is enough for a complete coverage for your underarms, sorry. So yes, you can see the consistency, and it will be easy for us to for our skin to observe this particular product. You don't need to after you can come from bath, and you don't need to wait for till the product is getting observed by your skin. You can just straight away come from bath, where apply this cream under your arms, and you can dress up and you can do your regular work. It is not messy or it is not sticky, so it dries so quickly, and the result is amazing friends, because they say that in this particular product they mention you will see results in 10 days or so, but I don't think so, because as this is from my personal experience and due to my skin type, I say this because yes, we do see results, but not within the specified limit. It may prolong. But along with this, what I did was mixing some of the basin flour with wild turmeric and milk. I used to apply it under my arms and simultaneously try this particular product, and then friends, you will never believe me, it worked really amazing. This product with our DIY, which I told you, I repeat it, the DIY is 1 spoon of basin flour, half a spoon of turmeric with milk or curd, which suits your skin. You can try it. This mixture with this product leads you to an amazing white underarms within 10 days for sure. I just bet you it just does an amazing job. And don't forget that it depends upon your skin type. This particular product, if you have a very gentle and soft skin type, this product will do very easy job on your underarm darkness. And this product it lessens the melanin production, which actually causes the darkness in the underarms. So it helps since it has a lacto formulation, it helps to reduce the melanin production under your arms. Containing natural products without parabens, is an amazing product, so you can get your hands on it if you wish to do so. So yes friends, if you like this video, you can just give a thumbs up, and I'm finishing my video with this. If you have any queries, you can just comment it in the in the comment section below. The product link I have given in the description. Bye.